Imagine lying in bed at night and hearing a low, persistent hum that no one else can hear. It's not your fridge, it's not a car, it's everywhere. Every year, thousands of people across the world report the same eerie phenomenon, a deep, droning sound with no identifiable source. Some call it the hum, and it's driving people mad. From Taos, New Mexico, to Windsor, Canada, and even Auckland, New Zealand, this low-frequency hum has been reported by clusters of people, while others nearby hear absolutely nothing. What's even weirder? Most recordings of the hum don't capture anything unusual. It's as if only certain people can hear it. Scientists call this otoacoustic perception, but even that doesn't explain why it's so widespread or so persistent. One study in the UK found that 1 in 50 people can hear a mysterious low-frequency noise at night, often describing it as a distant engine or an underground vibration. So, what's causing it? Theory 1. Industrial noise. Some experts believe it's just infrastructure, distant factories, diesel engines, or high-pressure gas lines humming across the land. Makes sense, until you realize it's been reported in places with no industry at all. Theory 2. Tinnitus or auditory illusions. Others suggest it's all in our heads. A mild form of tinnitus, but that doesn't explain why people in the same neighborhood suddenly begin hearing it at the same time. Theory 3. Military or secret tech. Now we get into the juicy stuff. Some suspect classified government programs, HARP, or low-frequency weapons testing. The kind of stuff conspiracy forums love, but scientists roll their eyes at. Theory 4. Earth itself. Yep, Earth makes sounds. It hums, vibrates, and groans, especially during earthquakes or tectonic shifts. But could the planet itself be singing to us? And yet, after decades of study, no definitive answer exists. The hum remains one of the most baffling, unsolved mysteries of the modern age. So next time you're lying in bed and hear that deep, distant drone, ask yourself, is it just your imagination? Or is the Earth trying to tell us something we're not ready to hear?